In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep photos on Google Drive in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to back up precious memories or simply organize your digital photo library, Google Drive offers a convenient and accessible way to store your images securely in the cloud. Let's dive in and see how you can easily upload your photos to Google Drive. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive by entering drive.google.com into the address bar. If you're not signed in already, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Make sure you use the account that you want to have access to your photos. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Drive page, where you'll see all your existing files and folders. Now look towards the top left corner of the screen and you'll see a button marked Plus New. This button is essential for any new uploads you want to make to your drive. Go ahead and click on that button. Doing this will drop down a menu presenting you with several options. From this drop down menu, you'll need to decide whether you want to upload individual photo files or entire folders of images. If you're looking to select multiple photos at once or keep the organizational structure of your albums intact, picking the folder upload might be the way to go. If you're only uploading a few images, then the file upload option is perfectly suitable. Make your selection based on what suits your needs best at this moment. Next comes the part where you actually choose which photos or folders you'd like to keep on Google Drive. A file explorer window will open, letting you browse through your computer's files. Navigate through your directories until you find the photos or photo folders you've decided to upload. Once located, simply select those files. You can choose multiple items by holding down the Control key if you're on Windows or the Command key if you're on a Mac. After you've selected your photos or folders, click the Open button, and just like that, the upload process begins. You'll notice an upload status box usually appearing at the bottom right of your screen, showing the progress of your uploads. Depending on the number of photos and your internet speed, this could take a few moments or several minutes. Once the photos are done uploading, they will be safely stored in your Google Drive. And there you have it, your photos are now securely saved on Google Drive. You can access them anytime from any device by simply logging into your Google account. Additionally, if you want to move your photos into specific folders or share them with others, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy to organize and manage your digital content. This not only gives you peace of mind, but also the flexibility to enjoy your treasured memories wherever you are. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.